All right, boys. All right. Nice trade. Nice trade. So yeah, this played out perfectly. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah. First, let's talk about AUD that I was looking at. How I sent in liquidity, I almost got stopped out. This is why the best thing is to look at the highs, the highest high. You see right here, the ultimate one. This one, the one that's in the middle, you might get stopped out, but the thing that saved me was the leg of the impulse, so I could have pulled my Fibonacci. But this one is the ultimate one because since you could see right here, this is a short-term high. If you drop down to the 15-minute time frame and you pull the fib from here to here, look at that. Nasty. You get in a nasty accurate area right here. So I entered a little bit early, so this is why it looks below, but look at that. Price don't lie. Now, EU, Euro USD, Euro USD. This is the one that I was hawking down. This is the one I gave you guys as a gift. Let's see where it's at, where it's at, where it's at, where it's at. Yeah, look, all you guys are getting nasty. Look at that. Sells, EU, nice. But what I wanted to show you is I sent this hours ago before he flew up. See that? Hours ago. And this is not something that I just do one time, but once you understand what you're looking for every single time, even if it works or not, you're still gonna average and leverage your skills, and the output is going to be way greater than just taking a loss. Because every single time you take a loss is just -1R. But once you win, it's +3R, +4R, +5R, depending on your RR. And if you pull the trigger every single time with the same risk, you will win the game. Look at that after a few hours later. And now, look at this. Boom. So it's possible if you have the right edge every single time and you follow the edge every single time to the T. That's all you need. You just need discipline. You lack discipline. This is why you're at where you're at right now. If you develop the skills of discipline and following rules, the inputs is going to give you the output that you want, which is printing money. All right. This is Kimosabi. Kimosabi out.